channel. And this is a gift because I'm menghafal. And now I want to unboxing this. And this is called Crush EMS because when you unlock it and then you back and then you pull it back and then let it go and then it crashes into a wall and then it breaks like this.
Okay, can you unbox your Crush car?
Okay. We're gonna open this.
Wow.
And here there's a warning.
Okay, can you read the warning?
Small packs not for children under 3 years. I'm 7 years,
Yes.
so I can buy this. But kids like 3 years or 2 or 1 cannot buy this because it's too dangerous.
Okay.
And I want to unlock my car.
Okay, there is a button to unlock, yeah?
Yes, this is the button. And this is the instruction. First, you pull it back. And what do we have to try?
No. Okay, you want to try?
Whoa, it crushed. Let's try more. Whoa, it crushed. And now the next car is Hot Wheels. Its name is 91 Max 55. I don't know what this name is, but and now I want to open it.
Yay!
Yay.
Who gave you the present? Who gave you the 2 cars?
Pataina from Jakarta.
Okay. Can you explain the Hot Wheel?
Well, I got lots of Hot Wheels. This is a Hot Wheel, but it's not a car, it's a helicopter. And this is a Batmobile. My friend from Teka gave me this. I like this car because it's red. It's my favorite color. And it looks cool. And let me try it out here.
Oh,
Whoa, it's fast.
can you show me the red car? Okay. Okay. Forward. Moving forward. Okay. The body. Wow.
And this side is, and this one has tulisan. It's masih.
Okay. Say thank you to everyone.